Introducing the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.